and I know that you're stealing. Get the best of what is laid before me. Me, you know right and I know nothing. We're disregarding what is happening. Thunder is all around and you bring lightning. Shatter all the timing of the moment. Don't you go. Shatter all the people set to own your love. Day to day. Shatters all the clothes I wear for you, love. Don't you know? Scattered all our hopes I hoped with you, my love. Cheated like a puppy when you want me. Don't you go. But deleted as soon as something's more important. Day to day. I am just a puppet for your pleasure. Don't you know? I have no more love left for your senses, baby. You could be cheating, lying. You could be sweet and trying, but I would be endless fighting the simple truth that love won't do me right in the middle of making. Just got another heart aching, and I would be helpless shaking the simple truth that love won't do me right. Love just won't do me right. I wake up every night thinking I need somebody's love. I'm not just any girl.
Szalona myśl od rana. Szanowny panie, nie kocham pana, lecz może jeszcze przez parę dni niech pan trochę mi się śni. Bo choć to niepowszednie, mam taki zwyczaj, że sypiam we dnie. W krew wszedł mi z dawna obyczaj ten. Nocy szkoda mi na sen. A jeśli kolejną kreacją pan błyśnie w mym śnie, przed świtu bezgłośną owacją, niech pojmie pan, że wśród nocnej kontrowersji uprawiać lubię sztukę inwersji. Ach, sprawdź w słowniku terminy te, resztę powiem ci we śnie.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. And loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In love enough for anything. Emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like It's getting kind of personal. I know my inhibitions.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our break, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no, no. 'Cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my own. All that I need, I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Yeah, this ain't sugar-coated love.
I'm doing me, so I don't care what you say. I'm in your city getting high. Can't even see you earthlings, I'm chilling up in the sky. Flowing like the tide or the current. Verses are slurred off the herbal, swerving and blowing on purple. Purchasing art off the street. Put the bars on the beat and it's completed. My steed is never depleted. Find me on the beach in Puerto Rico getting weeded. I could do this all day. Chilling with my grandma, drinking club soda and Bombay. Doobie Lounge on, stay on the strong. Call me Bong Villain cause I'm ripping out the bomb. Some Hector LeVeaux and Dro, how I start my morning. Life is hardly boring, it's what you make of it, so I'm trying to make it the shit. I start to think and I sink into a wormhole. Chilling in a villa, twisting tip-ups in Merlot. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna